Mega love shout out everyone. This is Scratch Adventure, guys. For now, we're going to scratch 4 tickets of Go Bananas. Right. Okay, first, I'm going to scratch this one. Scratch. Instruction is match 3 like amounts, win that amount. Find in the bonus panel a 2x to double, 3x to triple, or 4x to quadruple the prize you have won. Alright, so we're going to scratch it. This is the bonus, guys. This one is the bonus. So we're going to scratch. $500, 140. $100, 1,000, and 10,000. No match. $200,000, 50, and 20. Oh no, it's Bokya. Bokya, guys. We need 100, but no. Don't have. So it's Bokya. Ticket number 1. Ticket number 2. Don't have the number like in US. Ticket number 2. There was it. 109. Number 109. And this ticket is 20 pesos, guys. So I'm going to scratch the second ticket. 5,000, 200,000, and 1,000. Alright. Second row. 20, 100, and 10,000. Oh no, there's no puro. And 200,000, 500, and 10,000. Oh, it's Bokya again, guys. OMG, tough ticket. Okay, ticket number 3. Number 041. Okay. $200, 100, and 500. Second row is 10,000, 1,000, and 1,000. Oh, needed the 1,000, guys. Alright, 1,000, please. Another Bokya, guys. Another Bokya. 2020, OMG. Another Bokya, guys. Oh my God. This is worth 80 pesos ticket, guys. Number 040. It's Bokya. 3 in a row Bokya, guys. So this is 1,000, 5,000, and 50 pesos. Second row is 500, 10,000, and 100. OMG. Another Bokya, is it? My God. OMG, it's another Bokya, guys. I got 4 tickets worth 80 pesos and all are Bokya. Bokya, better luck next time. It's Bokya and I scratch it with Kuya M2M Grab and Gumball Scratch Coins. Thank you for watching.